How to change TikTok phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change phone number on TikTok without a code. So in order to change your phone number on TikTok without a code, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing is you have to go ahead and log in into your TikTok account, and once logged in, tap on the profile icon and head over to your profile page. While you're on the profile page, tap the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner and go to settings and privacy. Then you need to go to this option that says report a problem. And when you actually go ahead and tap on report a problem, it's going to direct you to the interface where you can see multiple sections. So go to the section that indicates topic. Under it, click on account and profile. As you click on accounts and profile, under it you need to scroll down a bit and go to changing the phone number, email address associated with an account. Select that. It's going to show you a list of information, so if you're still unable to, then go ahead and tap the no button under it, and once again go ahead and tap on need more help. Now you need to go ahead and type in the issue or give a feedback or submit a request, and accordingly you need to type in what is actually the issue and make sure to give a valid reason and click the submit button. So it's going to take 24 to 48 hours in order to recover your account, so till then you can wait patiently. So that's how you can change your TikTok phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.